Hello guys, I received my ice cream machine from VEVOR. By the way, you can buy it with a discount with the link under my video. If you cannot find the link, let me know. You know that when they send me some machine, some product, they also give me the discount for you. So up to you. So because I want to make ice cream like there is no tomorrow, we need to make or to use inverted sugar. I need to read it. Zucchero invertito. It's the same of Italian, but you need to switch the words. Why is so important the inverted sugar? Because help the ice cream remain more creamy. If not, with the normal sugar only, sometimes you can have crystal of ice inside your ice cream. So it's super easy to make it. It's very cheap, so we can make it at home. We need only sugar, water and lemon. The goal is to achieve something similar to the honey. This is honey. If you don't want to make the sugar and make the ice cream, you can use the honey instead of the sugar. But sometimes the taste, not everybody like it, the taste of honey. So the sugar is cheap and also without any taste. In the pot we put 500 grams of sugar, 215 grams of water and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. We turn on the stove and we should reach the temperature of 115 Celsius degree or 240 Fahrenheit degree. Don't worry, before checking the temperature, you need to wait to start boiling. Reach the temperature, we need to boil it 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes our sugar is ready. Super clear, perfect. Please be careful. Remember to check the temperature, because before I was distracted, so probably my sugar reached 130, 135 Celsius degree. This is the result. This is no honey, but it's the sugar that was almost caramel, because the pitting or the bonding, no, the pitting, the stoning, the cherry. I want to make preserved cherries in syrup, again for another ice cream. This was the result because I was distracted, so please be careful. Also be careful because the sugar, when it's super hot, is very dangerous. Remember that now that is the season of the cherry, you can make homemade cherry liquor. Follow with the recipe that you find in our book. Waiting that the inverted sugar cool down, I'll show you one thing. You see, is caramel. You can use it for make some decoration, or like I've done with the cherry. Spectacular. But don't worry, probably this sugar caramel will end up in some fermenter. I will use it to make some beer. Okay, let's put the syrup or the inverted sugar in a jar so you can see the color. And our inverted sugar is ready. So see you tomorrow, because we will make homemade gelato, the Italian gelato, not ice cream. Remember,